Hello, all. Welcome to my next walking tour. I'm in the northern region of Spain, in an area called Galicia. I'm in a very small town called Passarela, and here we can go through how this old town looks. It's a very beautiful town, as you can already see from it's very rustic, picturesque. Let's start the walk. You can see horses in the distance. We'll get closer to them. Let's see. Look at this old house. This is over 100 years old, I think. It's right next to the forest, and look at the view they have right next to the river. You can focus in on the river. I can hear the sound of the river right now, so nice and relaxing. Yeah, nice. That's a lemon tree which grows naturally. There are slightly modern houses, but you'll see a lot of old houses, and you can see the construction in the past. It's like a timestamp, this little village. So up there you can see those little houses. That's where they store corn in the traditional way, away from pests and stuff. So those buildings can be over 100 years old, those little houses storing corn. Lots of wood is chopped here because obviously we are surrounded by pine forest, I think. Wow, look at this. What a beautiful road. A nice stream of river here. There you go, those are those horses in the distance. So they have horses here like pets in their backyards, really, because they have a lot of big backyards in this region. There's a lot more space compared to the rest of Spain. A lot of people are buying houses, old ones, and redoing them here as well because it's cheaper, and I think people are having a lifestyle change as well, where they want to have a bit of a relaxed atmosphere away from the city. So yeah, this is where the chopped wood is. I guess it comes from the forest. So a lot of people who live around here also own land, and then that lease their land to these companies which chop trees, and they earn a percentage for the trees which are used to, which are chopped from their land. Look at that nice old. This must be an old barn for horses. So that house right in front of us is an example of an old house which has been repurposed, regenerated, and they rent this out, I think, on Airbnb and things. It looks very beautiful. We'll get closer to that. Here are our horses. Really cool. This is a more, you can see these old corn storage rooms, really. It's quite nice. It's pretty cool. These are caballos, the horses. Even in the distance you can see. It's a nice view. So the old house. Hola. I would say like people here are friendly, reserved, but they're also quite nice. They're unassuming. But it's nice river stream. The water is very clean and clear. From the, I guess, comes from the source comes from up in the mountains. It's very clean water. There's another nice horse. Looking at the distance of the whole area, quite picturesque. So, thank you all for joining this video. I'll stop it here for now, and please subscribe and give a thumbs up or a like if you enjoyed this, and I'll be posting some more in the future. Thanks.